안녕하십니까.
Hello,
Dr.
Steve Easy Hands-On, and I'm Dr. Kim Kyung-won. In this lecture, we are going to look at EFR Kit. In the previous lecture, we talked about EFR Kit. Prosthesis is delivered to the implant, and while in use, abutment or screw can be fractured. Due to prosthetic complications, the broken screw or abutment need to be removed. The EFR kit is used for such cases. Something we don't want can happen due to periimplantitis, which destroys the bone quite considerably. Top of the implant can be fractured. Then we need to remove the fixture. This is for easy and safe removal of implant fixture with minimal loss of alveolar bone. EFR Easy Fixture Removal Kit is for such purposes. Characteristics of EFR Kit. Basically, when you remove a fixture, this can be used as an easy, simple procedure with 3 steps. Relatively, it has a very high success rate of fixture removal.
석세스하게 제거할 수 있는 거라고 생각하시면 될 것 같습니다. 그다음에 어떻게 보면 저희가
Next, conventionally, a fixture is removed using a Trephine Drill. It can result in quite considerable loss of alveolar bone surrounding the fixture. But if you use the EFR kit, you can minimize the loss of alveolar bone surrounding the fixture. And the new fixture needs to be placed after waiting several months, and the new implant should be a thicker one than the previous one. But if you remove the previous fixture with the EFR kit, the same size fixture can be placed. In removing the fixture, sometimes we have to do it even though we don't want to do it, and that can be very challenging. And if you use the EFR kit, actually, it shows very high removal performance of fixtures. The torque wrench can give above 400 Newton centimeters for the removal. Therefore, even the osseointegrated fixtures can be easily removed using the kit. Components of the EFR kit. EFR kit, the first component is the removal screw tool to remove the fixtures. The second one is the remover body tool. And the third one is the fixture removal. After the removal of the fixture, the mounted removal body or screw can be separated using the separation tool. First, the remover screw. Initially, when we want to remove the fixture, on the top of the fixture, this can be connected. So that is the remover screw. The remover screw itself is connected to the implant fixture, therefore it can work as an intermediate abutment. The recommended connection torque is regular and wide 80 Newton centimeters and mini 60 Newton centimeters. The remover screw is for a single use only. The remover screw should be chosen depending on the fixture system like a TSSS or US, or the status of the fixture like normal or fractured, and the fixture diameters. There are various options depending on the fixture system, status of the fixture, and the diameters of the fixture to be removed. You need to use the appropriate screw to raise the success rate. At the top, number 4 is written, indicating fixture diameter. 3 means fixture diameter 3.5. Number 4 refers to fixture diameter of 4.0 or 4.5, and 5 means a fixture diameter of 5.0.
그리고 픽처의 시스템이 즉 N이라고 써 있는 건 저희들이
N refers to normal status of the fixture of TS or SS. If F is written, it is used for the fractured fixture. N or F can be used for TS or SS. And you need to check whether letter U is on the screw if you want to use it on the US. Therefore, you need to choose appropriate remover screw depending on the screw type or status or the diameter. This is the summary. 4 refers to diameter 4.0 or 4.5 for TS or SS. N means the top of the fixture is normal. F refers to the top of the fixture is fractured. U means it can be used for the US type. So they're all indicated on the screw. So you need to choose an appropriate one depending on what fixture you want to remove. Next, the screwdriver. It is a driver for connection of remover screw with the fixture. It is rotated in the clockwise direction to be connected. At the top of the fixture, in the clockwise direction, by hand you need to tighten it. After that, you can use the torque wrench. You rotate it in the clockwise direction to tighten it. For the regular one, 80 Newton centimeter is recommended. Next is the torque extension. When you use a screwdriver, it may have the interference from the adjacent teeth. Then you can lengthen the screw. So using the torque extension, you can extend it by 10 millimeters as depicted in the picture. It is mounted on the screwdriver. Screwdriver's length is 18.5 millimeters, and using the extension, you can extend it by 10 millimeters. Torque extension can also be used with the removal body, whose length is 26 millimeters. I will explain it later, but torque extension can be used with the removal body to lengthen it by 10 millimeters. Next, remover body. The fixture to be removed should be tightly engaged or stick to the removal body. There are two types, short and long types. It needs to be chosen according to the clearance with the opposing tooth or the interference with adjacent teeth. The removal body needs to be selected. The size should be selected according to the fixture size. Removal body is connected in the counterclockwise direction over the remover screw. As you can see, there are two types, short and long. The remover body, removal screw should be connected first, and you need to choose appropriate size of the removal body. By hand, it needs to be mounted in the counterclockwise direction. After that, in the counterclockwise direction, the torque wrench is rotated to remove the fixture. Remover screw is connected first, followed by the remover body. After the tightening, counterclockwise direction is used for the mounting. Remover torque wrench can give more than 400 Newton centimeter of force so that the fixture can be removed. Therefore, successfully you can remove the fixture. Next, the torque wrench. This is used for the fixture remover. The torque values are marked for 80, 100, 200, 300, and 400 Newton centimeters. Prosthesis can be connected to the implant. Around 30 Newton centimeter is used for that, but it can go up to 80 or 100. However, the torque wrench in the EFR kit can give more than 400 Newton centimeters. Therefore, osseointegrated fixture can be removed using the removal torque of counterclockwise direction over 400 Newton centimeter. That's how it is designed. Next, the fixture wrench. Clinically, you would not have to remove the removal body or removal screw, but if you find the removal body or removal screw connected to the removed fixture, depending on the type of the fixture, like 4-blade or 3-blade or ultra-wide type, you can connect it to the fixture so that you can remove the removal body or removal screw. So it is connected to the apex of the fixture. To remove the removal body, it should be rotated in the clockwise direction because the removal body was tightened using the counterclockwise direction. For removal screw, it should be rotated counterclockwise direction to remove the screw. Removal body, removal screw can be removed from the removed fixture. When you mount a removal screw, you need to be careful about these. Removal screw should be chosen depending on the fixture system, TSSS or US, status of fixture, normal or fractured, or depending on the fixtures of the fixture. When you choose an appropriate type, removal body is connected onto the removal screw. The top of the fixture should be engaged tightly so that 400 or over Newton centimeters can be applied for successful removal of the fixture. The removal screw should be carefully chosen depending on the factors I listed. That is very important. Removal screw is connected, the normal one, and if it is tightly engaged, fractured removal screw should not be used because it has short top. Therefore, the connection cannot be made tightly. It will result in the loose connection. For example, the hex part of the fixture is fractured, but if you use the removal screw of normal, if it is not tightly connected to the fixture, it will lead to the failure of the removal. Choosing the right instrument is of most importance. Next, easy hands-on. Through this hands-on, you will be able to understand the components of EFR Kit and how to use it. Using the EFR Kit, the fixture will be removed, and Trephine Drill will also be used to remove a fixture. You will be able to realize the advantage of using EFR Kit compared to the Trephine Drill in terms of loss of surrounding alveolar bone. We have prepared TS3 5.0 by 11.5 millimeter fixture. Removal screw will be connected and the removal body will be mounted to remove the fixture, and we will separate the removal body or removal screw connected to the removed fixture. Next, TS3 5.0 by 11.5 millimeter fixture will be removed using a Trephine drill, and you will be able to see the alveolar bone can be lost when Trephine drill is used, and that will be compared to the site removed by the EFR kit. I'll come back to the hands-on shortly.
만나뵙도록 하겠습니다.
We'll use the EFR kit in this hands-on. At number 45 and 46 locations, 2 TS fixtures are placed. This will be removed using EFR kit. The distal one will be removed using a Trephine drill in this hands-on. First, EFR kit is going to be used. The fixture is not fractured, therefore normal one will be used. Diameter of 4.0. Removal screw F5.0 screw is chosen. This is the removal screw mounted on the fixture. Removal screw is rotated by hand in the clockwise direction. And screwdriver is chosen. The wide is chosen and the screwdriver is connected. The handle is connected to the screw and it is tightened by hand, completely tightened. Torque wrench is used to connect it. Removal screw and the fixture are connected completely. Next, removal body is to be connected. As you can see, it's a wide type. Depending on the relationship with the opposing tooth, this removal body is connected by hand in the counterclockwise direction over the screw. Removal body should be rotated in the counterclockwise direction. Torque wrench is used for complete tightening in the counterclockwise direction with the 400 Newton centimeter of force. As you can see, the removal body is completely connected to the fixture and the fixture is reversely coming out. Integrated fixture is loosened and you can see the fixture is coming out like this. The fixture is completely removed. As you can see, the fixture and the removal body has become one. Removal body and removal screw are connected to the removed fixture and they are going to be separated. If you look at the fixture wrench, this is a 3-blade and there is a 4-blade one. The TS3 implant is inserted into the 3-blade hole. Removal body was tightened in the counterclockwise direction to remove it. Clockwise direction should be used and the torque wrench is rotated by hand. It is easily removed. So if you rotate it in the clockwise direction, the removal body is separated. Let me remove the removal screw. There is a screwdriver for removal screw, so that should be chosen. It was tightened in the clockwise direction, therefore removal should be done in the counterclockwise direction. Once it is loosened, it can be easily separated in the counterclockwise direction. You can rotate it by hand in the counterclockwise direction. The removal screw is separated. Next, Trephine drill is to be used. Fixture's diameter is 5.0, so I'm going to choose a Trephine drill with the inner diameter of 5.2 and the outer diameter 6.0 millimeters. Trephine drill is used. When you connect the Trephine drill, bouncing can occur. Then you reverse the Trephine drill and to make a little bit of indentation. In the reverse direction, a little bit of indentation is made. After that, in the right direction, Trephine is rotated so that the part surrounding the fixture is removed. Heat is generated from the bone, so copious irrigation should be made. So Trephine drill is used to remove the surrounding bone. The fixture is removed using an elevator like this. Finally, forceps is used. To remove the fixture. We did this on a model. 3D printed plastic material is seen here, but clinically you will be able to see bone is attached to the fixture. The same size fixtures are removed. When EFR kit is used, the fixture is removed. If you use Trephine drill, the surrounding bone is coming out together. As you can see, at 45 and 46, we use the same size 5.0 fixtures, and 45 is removed using EFR kit, and 46 Trephine drill. You can see the bone loss. For your understanding, let me mark it with red pen. This is removed using a Trephine drill. You can see alveolar bone surrounding the fixture is more destroyed. Using the EFR drill, when the fixture is removed, you can place the same size fixture. If it is removed using a Trephine drill, the surrounding bone has been lost, therefore the same size fixture cannot be placed. When a Trephine drill is used, the surrounding tissue received heat generated from the drill, so you cannot place the same sized fixture here. You need to do the bone grafting to place the same sized fixture here. Let's look at some of the questions. The first one, can EFR kit remove osseointegrated fixture? When we use EFR kit, actually on the maxilla, they can be easily removed, but in the mandible, osseointegrated fixtures can be or cannot be removed. TS implant with the internal connection. When we remove a fixture, the top of the fixture would not have the alveolar bone. Therefore, the removal torque of the EFR kit is over 400 Newton centimeters. So if the apex of the fixture is strongly osseointegrated, the top portion of the fixture would not be able to withstand the force. Therefore, it would be hard to remove it. In the posterior mandible, the fixture is tightly osseointegrated, then optionally it would be advised to use a Trephine burr. Next, is the EFR kit used differently in the maxilla and the mandible? The answer is no. As I explained during the hands-on, removal screw is connected, then removal body should be connected. That order should be kept. Removal screw should be connected in the clockwise direction and removal body should be connected in the counterclockwise direction. Torque wrench gives more than 400 Newton centimeters, so fixtures can be easily removed. When you have to remove a fixture, that's a very challenging and frustrating situation. But if you use EFR kit, you'll be able to easily remove the fixture and go on with the next step. I hope this helps your clinical experience. Thank you.
시청해 주셔서 감사합니다.